the All the Basics kit by Kimlligraphy. It includes your workbook, progress portfolio, organic tea bag, water jar, Sumi ink jar, a box of hand-rolled incense, reusable bamboo paper towels, nibs, a Moblique pen holder, carefully presented to you in a storage box. When you attend one of my in-person workshops or join my online program community, you'll receive your very own kit, which includes all the essentials you need to start practicing pointed pen calligraphy in a relaxing, mindful way. Our All the Basics kit comes personalised with your name and a personalised welcome message with a beautiful scent as soon as you open it.